Solar waterproof carport is a product that combines solar power generation technology with carport. It not only has the sunshade and rain shelter function of traditional carport, but also can generate electricity through solar panels installed on the top of the carport to realize the use of clean energy. According to the material of the carport bracket, it can be divided into aluminum alloy waterproof carport, carbon steel waterproof carport, zinc aluminum magnesium waterproof carport. Aluminum alloy solar waterproof carport installation demonstration. 1. Dig the foundation, install the anchor bolt, and pour cement. 2. Install the foot base, align the base bolt hole with the anchor bolt and tighten it. 3. Install the column and lock it with the bolt. 4. Install the H connector, fix it on the top of the column, and lock it with the bolt. 5. Install the beam. Insert the bolts into the 4 holes on the upper part of the H connector. Slide it into the longitudinal beam. Install the nut and tighten it. 6. Install the rail and fix the rail with the rail clamp block. 7. Install the W channel. Fix the W channel with the L connector connection and put the horizontal U channel. 8. Install the solar panel. Fix the solar panel with the mid-clamp, and continue to install other accessories according to the above steps. 9. Install the cover. When it rains, a small amount of rainwater will pass through the U channel and the middle part channel, and flow into the front of the carport and flow into the pipe. The solar waterproof carport components: foot base, column, H connector, rail, beam, W channel, L connector, rail clamp, end clamp, cover, mid clamp, bolt, and channel anchor bolt.